This is problem number 2 for assessment number 3. In this problem, they want you to evaluate each of the following expressions using the given table of values. They give you a table of values. X values are on top, and the function output values are written horizontally corresponding with f of x and g of x. So an example of this is for an x value of 3, f of x has an output of 6, and g of x has an output of 7. So we're going to just go through and do each of these parts one at a time using composition of functions. So the first thing I do is I look and I see g of 4, meaning x value of 4, go to the g function. What's the output? It's 6. So I have f of 6. So g of 4 gives you 6. That's what I looked at there. X is 4, g is 6. So I have f of 6. So now my input is 6, so my x value is 6, but I'm doing it for the f function. I look at the f function, it is also a 6, so the output here is 6. So f of g of 4 is 6. Part B. G of f of 5, I go to the x value of 5. I'm looking at the f function. The f function has an output of 3. So I have g of 3. Now I go to the x value of 3, and I look at the g function, which is an output of 7. So g of f of 5 is 7. Part C. I'm looking at f of 4. So for the f function, I go to the x value of 4. I look at the f function, that's 5. So now I have f of 5. Because I'm replacing f of 4 with what f of 4 is, which is 5. F of 5, then I go to the x value of 5, and I look at the x function, and I get 3. I should say I went to the x value of 5, and I looked at the f function. I said x, I meant f function, and I got 3. So f of 4 is 3. Part D. G of 7, I go to the x value of 7, and I look at the g function, and it's 5. So I have g of 5 equals, I go to the x value of 5, and I look at the g function, it is 5. All right, x value of 5, the g function is 5. So g of 7 is 5. And that's how we do the composition of functions with a table.